This is our warehouse that we're going to be constructing pallet rack storage system. At this point it's open for us to install the rack. We've been receiving in loads of uprights, beams, and wire decking and accessories to get started. They've been coming in on flatbeds. We've got our lift equipment ready to go, and we'll be marking the floor with chalk lines in order to set the rows. Pallet rack comes in on flatbed trailers, so it's easy to unload out in a parking lot. Once we begin the installation and erecting the pallet rack, we pop lines on the floor in order to get the row spacing and the aisle spacing correct.
That was an awesome review, a basic review of how to get pallet racking and wire decking into your warehouse. There is a lot more detail, but Philip did a phenomenal job of teaching it. We've been doing it for over 40 years. We are very experienced with pallet rack and space utilization with it. There's also many different types of pallet racking: push pack, flow rack, cantilever, select, double deep, the works. Our guys are very experienced in listening to you, listening to your ideas, what you think and feel you may need, and my guys can pinpoint it down. We literally can take it from your drawings to coming out in the field. We do a double check. We've got an excellent logistics. We deal with partners from trucking companies to the actual manufacturers, having phenomenal working relationships with them. The install is an integral part of the job going smooth, and you've got to have the logistics down. Logistics, turnkey, the works. We're very good at keeping you informed, and we do our best. If challenges arise, as they do, we are straight up with you, and we come to a common sense solution to get it resolved. We appreciate the opportunity to be of service to you with your next pallet rack project. Thank you.